What's up, guys? Quick video today. I've got in front of me Ricky's M3 cluster. Shout out Ricky. I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 weeks because I've just kind of lost motivation. So shout out Ricky for keeping me busy and keeping me motivated. I've got a couple things that I got going on soon that I want to talk about. So that's what we'll talk about in this video, kind of get you guys up to date, up to speed. Obviously, my car's still in stocks. I did sell my traffic stars. So shout out Adonis for buying them. They're going on his E46 sedan. And basically, I've got new wheels, and I will give you guys a sneak peek at the end of this video. I'll show you guys the wheels. They are 5x114.3 because I've decided I no longer want to run 5x120 wheels. Prior to this chassis, had a real bad problem with trading my wheels constantly. I mean, like, anytime I'd get a set of wheels, I would post them up for a trade immediately because I just like to have different options, you know what I mean? I like wheels, but that's pretty impossible with 5x120 because nobody has good wheels in 5x120, and it seems like all of the 5x120 kids are all go fast kids or whatever. They like their monoblock wheels and all that, and I do like me a nice monoblock wheel, especially if it's chromy like Ricky. He's got the ceramic polished TEs, and that's good. It looks good. I love anything that's shiny, so obviously I like that. But I prefer a 3-piece wheel. It's just simple as that. I've always liked the 3-piece, and as many problems as it gives me, I still just love to have them. Just preference, but I'm sticking with 3-piece, and we're just gonna keep going with that. So these are all behind the cluster. This is a T10, so all the screws back here are T10s, and from here I should be able to just pull this out. Okay, and here we've got this, and I believe with these all we do is kind of paste this in here, right? We gotta slide them through the needles and all of that, but they do provide a little solution to go behind here so that you can slide it and guide it into place where it needs to go. But let me make a quick phone call to confirm. I believe he wanted the RPMs, but I gotta confirm really quick that I'm not just lying to myself. So bear with me, I'll be right back. Alright, so I was right. The RPMs is what he's doing. And I don't have much information on what company this is that he got these from, the overlays, but I will ask him for that, and I'll put it all in the description down below. But yeah. Okay, so if you get under here, you just pop out. So that's nice to know. Pop out. Okay, now get all this dust off. Alright, back to our overlay. Spray. and lay. Spray and lay. Get our squeegee. Just squeegee everything up. Okay. Thank you. Always put me in clutch. And then we just put these back in, pop, and put this back in, pop, and there you have it. He did opt only for the RPMs, just to give it like a kind of like an accent kind of feel. So now that that's in place, you gotta make sure that all this little, what do you call these? These, right, that go on the cluster. And there is marks, like little holes, where it would go. And so that goes there. And then we can close this up by making sure those go there. And just like that. And that's how that looks. So we'll go ahead and put this back on. Didn't need to remove this piece at all. But there you go. That is the cluster. I think that is a nice accent. Not too bad. There you have it. Again, like I said, I'll put the link for these. They come with like the full cluster, so you can do it all. Again, he just wanted an accent, and I think it looks great. So now time to show you the wheels. So these are wheels that I've kind of wanted for a while. I've always been a fan of them. I like the concave of them. Slight, but it's there. And they're 5-spoke, which has become my thing. I used to hate 5-spokes, but my last, I don't know, fucking like 5 or 6 wheels have been 5-spokes. So minus the 3 spokes. Those are cool. But here they are. Weds, cranes, Ratzingers. So right now they're 18 by 8.5 and 18 by 9.5. But I do have some 4-inch lips for them getting delivered in a bit. So I'm going to throw the 9.5s up front and then rebuild the 8.5s with the 4-inch lips and throw those in the rear. We back with the chrome faces. Thank God. If you know me, I love chrome grill, chrome trim, chrome wheels, chrome everything. I'm just chrome. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And I'll let you guys figure out how I'm going to run these without adapters.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they gone, out the blicks. Pray to God, rapper.